Right then, so let's begin straight away by right-clicking onto the little speaker in the bottom right corner of your screen and select Sound Settings. In here you are able to pick which microphone or audio output device you want. Pick your best microphone or speaker or headset and select it. If you are not sure which one to pick, it will usually be the high-definition audio device on either the speakers or headset or the microphone. You can see if your microphone is being picked up because like right now I'm speaking into my microphone and I can see the bar is moving. So that means that my microphone is working. Now turn this off and right click back onto the little speaker and go into the volume mixer. Now as you can see here, I have audio levels for every single one of my applications. This one is the general speakers, and then over here I have for every other application I have turned on right now. So I'd recommend you turn up your speakers to the max to 100. And then just turn everything up to 100 except for your system sounds. I would keep that between 10 and 20% probably, because otherwise it can get pretty loud. Yeah, so just keep that between 10 and 20. It should be fine, because otherwise it can get pretty annoying. Turning all of this up to 100% should give you the highest quality, but remember everything will be louder, so I'd also recommend probably turning down your speakers or your headphones with the manual dial on them, because otherwise it might get a bit too loud. And turning this up to the highest instead of just your speakers or headphones to the highest will give you the best audio quality. Now turn this off and right click onto the sound settings again, go back into here, and now click onto sound control panel. Now, before actually doing everything that I will be doing on screen, I'd recommend you watch this part first and then actually do it on your own machine, because changing the audio on your machine sometimes may screw up any apps that you have turned on. So you may need to restart at the end of the video or just need to restart the actual app. So I'd say just watch this first and then actually do it on your own machine. Firstly, find your actual speakers. So mine are down here. Click on them. So let's say because I'm speaking on the video right now, your speaker should be showing some sort of little green lines over here. So it's the one that's showing the little green lines that you have picked over here. It will be that one. So set it as default if it's not already. Go into properties. Now go into enhancements and you have to turn on these three options. Turn on bass boost, virtual sound, and the loudness equalization. Don't turn on room correction because that one is quite complicated and usually doesn't really work that well. Now click apply. And then go into advanced settings, open up this drop down menu, and usually it will be somewhere in the middle. Depends on the speakers. Some only have a couple options, some like mine have some more. So just turn it to the highest bit option and the highest hertz option. So for me it's 24-bit and then 192,000 hertz studio quality. So click on that and then click apply and OK. Now go back into this option, click onto recording, and then find your microphone. So as you can see here, both of these are recording. This is my webcam and this is my main microphone. So just pick whichever one is your main, or if you just have one, and just click on it, set it as default, go into properties. Firstly, go into the levels section. Turn your microphone up to 100%, but if it still isn't that loud when you're recording or when you're speaking to someone, then I guess you could turn up the microphone boost a little bit. But don't turn it up too much because your microphone might start peaking, which isn't great, and it might make it not sound that great. So just don't turn it up too much, or just probably leave it on the 0 over plus 10 decibels, however much your default value is. After that, go into the advanced section, and just like with the speakers, turn it up to the highest bit option and the most hertz option, so into the studio quality. Then click apply and OK. So you may get some sort of little notification saying this device is being used by another application. If you continue, the application may stop working. Do you want to continue? And yes, continue. So your audio may get screwed up a bit, but you just might need to restart your applications like I said earlier, or just restart your PC at the end of the video. Okay, so after you have pressed apply and OK, there we go, turn it off. If you have any further questions or tutorials you'd like me to cover, then please leave a comment. Hopefully, this tutorial has helped you out and improved your audio in anything you do, ranging from talking in Microsoft Teams or Discord to watching a movie or playing a video game. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.